So let's talk about the Asceny Guardians of Mars Artisan Keycaps. There are 3 included keycaps as well as a switch puller underneath the tray that houses the keycaps. They are MX compatible and should work on 99% of mechanical keyboards. And honestly, I think that they look really cool, especially for the price. These are only $15 to $20 on Amazon and they come extremely quickly. So if you're looking for some nice keyboard accessories that you can have relatively quickly, I will definitely check these out. I think this is a cute collection of these little aliens and they fit perfectly with any dark keycap set. Thanks for watching Too Much Tech, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.